Hi, in this video, I am talking about jewelry piece that I own from Van Cleef and Arpels. Let's check it out. The jewelry item is from the four-leaf clover-inspired Alhambra collection. Here is the VCA packaging. Let's open this. The sage green jewelry box. Can you take a guess what's inside this? Let's find out. This is the vintage Alhambra pendant necklace. It is made of 18 karat solid yellow guilloche gold. Now what is guilloche? Guilloche design is a unique technique that is used in jewelry making. It involves engraving fine, repetitive patterns onto the surface of a piece of jewelry. This results in a beautifully textured and reflective surface that shimmers and catches the light, as you can see here. The Alhambra motif is adorned with a border of golden beads, giving it a sophisticated touch. The necklace length is adjustable with two length settings. Let's show you. The shorter length setting is at around 14 inches and the longer one is at around 16 inches. The website says it is 16.54 to be precise. The front and the back of the pendant are same, so you can wear it either side. In my opinion, this is a reflection of a true elegant and thoughtful design. Let's see how it sits on the neck. This has a lobster clasp, which I find really difficult, but yeah, it works somehow. Yeah, I'm wearing it on the 16 inches length setting. The pendant is attached to the necklace's chain, a very practical feature which makes the pendant stay in its place and give it a very fine appearance at all times. The vintage size of the Alhambra is perfect for me. The pendant also comes in a smaller and a larger size. The smaller one is called the Sweet Alhambra and the larger one is called the Magic Alhambra. The guilloche gold design adds depth and texture to this pendant, making it strikingly beautiful. The way the light catches the design is truly eye-catching, making it a piece that is sure to turn heads. Moreover, the small beads add to the mesmerizing visual effect. In my opinion, the striking guilloche design adds a sense of complexity and delicacy to the piece, while the 18 karat yellow gold adds a touch of luxury and opulence, making it stand out even more. This pendant truly showcases the skill and the craftsmanship of the designer. The intricate details make this a true work of art. One of the standout features of the vintage Alhambra pendant is its versatility. It can be worn alone or layered with other necklaces for a more dramatic look. It is also a great choice for special occasions such as wedding and anniversaries. Let me show you how it looks like on the 14-inch setting. This is how it looks like on the 14-inch setting. The vintage Alhambra pendant necklace is priced at $3,700 excluding taxes. With the itemized bill, you also get a care advice services booklet and the certificate of authenticity. Do not forget to ask about the travel pouch if you do not like to carry your jewelry boxes when you travel. Due to the COVID issues, they only provide you travel pouches if you ask them. So yeah, don't forget about it. I briefly touched upon my happy shopping experience from VCA in my previous video. Feel free to check it out. Alright, this is what I had for this video. Hopefully this helped you in some way. See you next time. Bye.